Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So in this video, I would like to talk about the danger of the AI. Ooh, what kind of the danger and what things to prepare and how to face it. So let's talk about it. To start off this video, I would like to show you the several jobs or several roles that can be replaced by the AI. Here I'm generally only using the Google and I type these several keyword over here, and as you can see this Google instantly respond about the at-risk job categories that can be replaced easily by the AI. For example, there are the administrative or clerical tasks and the customer service, and after that the manufacturing and logistic, and after that the retail, telemarketing and sales, and the data analysis. And if you scroll down, there are the several or the at-risk jobs that can be also replaced by the AI. And we can conclude about the traits of each jobs over here that can be replaced by the AI. The first one is the repetitive tasks and also the data-driven roles and also the routine physical work. So from this opening, I want to us to be more mindful about these things that can be dangerous for our future and for our daily basis. If we would like to break down about the danger of the AI, we can say that this AI has already arrived. But if we still on the less mindfulness that this AI is already arrived and can possibly change a lot of things in our daily basis, that can be the dangerous things for our lives. And after that, for the mediocre intellectual jobs, it will be easily replaced. So we can say that this at-risk job category can be easily replaced because it has the several traits like this. It is the repetitive tasks, data-driven, and also the routine physical work. So we need to add several things that it is AI replace proof, and we need to invest our skills and always learn the something new that can level up our skills, that it is not easily replaced by the AI. And after that, we need to foster human AI collaboration, or in the easiest way is we need to consider that this AI can be our assistant or friend to make our daily basis more easier or be easier, not to be, but also we need to hard work, not really depending on this AI, guys. For example, that if we put the AI always on a daily basis, for example, about the educational purposes, imagine that we would like to do the math, but there is the difficulties to solve it, and after that you ask for the AI to solve it by taking the photo and ask this AI to solve it. So it might be already solved, but the dangerous thing is we cannot understand the step-by-step of the process to solve it. So we need to more aware of the AI limitation here, because as we know that this AI was also being made by the human and still have the mistake how to process about what we want and what to generate by the AI. So the step that you can do is here you need to, of course, like I said before, you need to invest in AI skill development and training. And after that, treat this AI to be your friend or assistant, not your something that you can always rely on. And after that, you must develop a clear skills taxonomy and strategy. You can define and prioritize the essential AI skill need for the organization and industry. For example, even the vintage job for it's like the tailor hiring, training, and develop programs accordingly. Or I'm sorry, this tailor it's like the combine about the skills that it is AI proof in the future. And after that, you can always in to apply this awareness of AI limitation and of course the ethical use. You need to educate the user about the AI risks, biases, and also being responsible of usage to ensure that this ethical and effective deployment. And here I will give you the several 25 jobs AI cannot replace in 2025. And as you can see here that the jobs that cannot be replaced by the AI is content about the emotional intelligences and the creativity and skill traits, and also for the specific there are the healthcare roles. And also by this AI arrive into our life, I hope we can more wiser to use the AI and also being smarter than AI itself so that we will not fall off by this age before AI can replace everything in our daily basis. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you find this video helpful for you, please don't forget to give the like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.